There you go, guys. You see, we're standing from the front of the car right at the car, and lights up pretty well. Those bulbs are pretty good. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another video for you. We're gonna go and replace the light on the 2012 Acura MDX. So we did the lights before, and I think the one we did were not LED, so this time we're gonna do LED, and we bought those lights from Amazon. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. All right guys, to properly get access to the light, you might be able to do it on the side here, but we're gonna take this thing off. It's easy enough. So let me go get my tools and pop this off. All right guys, so we got to take the cover. There's a cap over here. I can't really show it to you, but we got to take the cap out, and to take it out, there's a lever. You twist the lever up. I went from the driver to the passenger side, so that's how the cover is. What you got to do is twist it this way up, and then it will pop off. It's a little hard to get at this thing. I remember on my last video I had to remove this reservoir. I'm just gonna try to move it to the side just enough. We have, and then take this bracket off too. There is a silver thing that we have to remove, and I think I have to twist it and pop it off. Okay guys, so this one is a little complicated, so I'm gonna try to take some pictures for you guys. The cap that holds the light, you got to twist the cap down and then pop it open. I mean pop it off. That's how you got to take it off. So let me take it. I'll try to show it to you a little bit more when I take out the cap. And then for the bulb, there's two little prongs on the top. There's two little prongs that are like this. You got to push them and twist to take them out. Got it guys. Okay, hold on, because you can't see, so it's really hard to I could probably, there you got it. Here's the bulb guys. So the bulb goes like this, and then you got the two clip that hold it in place. You got to push the two clip in, out, okay? And then there's a cap that also lock the whole thing in place. It's really hard to explain. I have another video on it you guys can check out. Look at my playlist for the MDX. You should see the other video. It's pretty much the same thing. That one explains it really well. All right. Okay guys, so we were having issues with the bulbs that we had. The back was too big and we couldn't put them on, so we bought these guys on Amazon. I will put the link in the description down below. Let me show you the old one. So this is the old one. So the issue we're having, all the LEDs usually have a big back and a fan. This one is a touch different. This is the halogen that we did about a year ago. So it's basically on its way out. And then we're gonna put this bad boy in. Let me show you the box real quick. There's not much in the box, guys. I'll put a picture so you guys can really see it. But anyway, this is it. This is the bulb. Let's go put it on. Okay guys, so the same way, I don't know if you've seen my other video where I put this light bulb in, it goes in the same way. I'll put the link for the other video so you guys can know how to put it in, but it should be fairly easy. Once you put it in, now you got to get the little clip cover over it. It's on. Basically you got to hold it like this, push up, and then it should clip in, guys. And then you got to put that big piece over it, find it, twist. There you go guys. Disregard this guy. We're gonna change this later. But anyway guys, look, the bulb is on. It looks really nice. So this is what the other one was. Basically they were kind of dying. We weren't able to see anything. It looks good on camera, but on the road you can't see anything. So this guy is already a lot brighter. You can already tell how much brighter it is. Disregard this garage here. So we're gonna test it in a dark area, but so far looks good to me. All right guys, so now let's go do the other side. All right guys, don't forget to put your cover back. I did. All right. All right, it's in. Alrighty. All right guys, last time we did this, we took out the battery, and I don't want to take out the battery. I'm gonna attempt to do it without taking out the battery. All right guys, I'm trying to get a little bit more leverage with this paper because I can't get this thing to unlock. So let's try it again. Okay, I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. You just gotta really push it all the way up high, and then it came out. I'm trying to get it now. Okay. All right. So guys, the cover was like this. So your keys gotta push it all the way this way, and then it would unlock. All right. It's a lot easier. Now for this, I can't really show it to you guys again. It's a silver cap. Okay, you twist it this way, and then it should unlock. Unlock. Okay, now it's out. Then you got the two little prongs on the top. You push them. Let me see, where's the other one? In and out. All right, I got it, guys. So like I said, the two little clip, grab the two clip, push in and out. All right, this is the old one, guys. Let me put the new one on. So remember, you got to put it at this angle that way. All right.
Oh, you got it already?
Yeah.
You got the new bulb in?
Mm-hmm. All right, we gotta do it the hard way. After spending 30 minutes for trying to get those clips to clip into to hold the light bulb, I decided to take out the battery. Without the battery, it's a lot easier. You get a lot more leverage to trying to get those clips to clip in.
But I have one side hooked in, and this thigh is not moving. Like I'm putting good pressure on, it's not moving.
Okay.
The bulb itself, I don't want to keep it like that.
Okay.
But I don't know, it's weird. Like I feel the groove, and I'm pushing it towards the groove.
That was the same thing with mine. Like it would clip it as soon as I remove my hand. It would unclip.
Cause it clipped on. Did it just clip?
It clipped.
Yeah, I think it clipped in.
Okay. Trying to pull it. If you can't pull it, like just a slight pull.
Nah, I'm pulling hard.
Oh, then you're good.
All right, so listen.
It was really hard to put it in. I don't want to curse. I'm not supposed to curse. Okay, now once you got the light on, you just got to put the little connector, and then you twist it down. All right, it is in. Oh, I don't know why they made these things so hard, guys. It's not supposed to be so hard. But anyway, then you twist it down. Okay, it's locked. All right, guys, both lights are on. We're gonna go and put the battery back. We put the cover on, put the battery back, and we're gonna test it real quick. All right. There you go, guys. A lot brighter once we clean the car. But definitely better than what it was. So if you guys are interested, the link is going to be down in the description down below. Those LED are usually the type that would fit in the MDX, and the one that I had before, they just didn't fit because of the back. All right, guys, and we know it works. All we got to do, let's put the battery tie down back on. All right, my dude. We are golden. Still good. Still good. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you the new bulbs. They are really nice, completely different than what the other stuff was. So you actually see a little better. So they are LEDs. Let me show you what I'm seeing from the front. There you go, guys. You see, we're standing from the front of the car, right at the car, and lights up pretty well. Those bulbs are pretty good. Like them. What do you guys think? See the ground? I know it's a little white, but they do light up very well. Last look. There you go, guys. They look really good. I think that's a winner. All right.